Well, just the opposite of...
Ito yung chicken at saka merong ano to? Curry?
Oo. Chicken lang natin.
I'm not sure with the food.
Chicken. Ayan na, tayo na sa Gongcha. What's up guys? Papa Piggy is here. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat dyan and welcome to my channel. For today's vlog, andito tayo ngayon. Papunta tayong Manchester. Kompleto ang pamilya ko. Ayan si manager.
Hi!
At ayan ang aming panganay, siya ang driver. And of course, andito na si Bunso from university. Break na sila. So, ayan, magkakasama kami ngayon, nakompleto kami. Bunso, kailan uli ang pasukan sa university? Take 2. Naka-headphone pala. Bunso, kailan ang pasukan uli sa university?
I don't know, like August, September?
September.
Yeah, so, for the meantime, sem break, kumbaga. So, dahil ngayon lang tayo nagkasama-sama uli, family day, and ito yung first day na magkakasama kaming lahat.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
Ayan, andito na tayo sa mga street food.
Alikari.
Oh, anong gusto niya?
Oh, ano gusto niyo? Ito?
Oh, oo, yan ang gusto ko na eh.
Can I have one large box of jerk chicken, please?
Large, yeah?
Large, please.
Spicy or
Yeah, can you make both, please? Thank you.
Me and Carol gonna have the fusion box.
chicken, yeah?
Yes, please.
Rami, you okay? We are good.
Oh, no, she will put sauce in it.
Thanks a lot, Rob.
Sauce?
Yes, please.
Any salad, coleslaw?
Hi, can I have the fusion box, please? Large
Large or
one.
regular?
Masarap ba yung slow?
Are you paying together?
Yes, yes.
Hello for it.
Pardon?
Spicy? Spicy or not spicy?
Well, just the opposite of...
Ito yung chicken at saka merong ano to? Curry?
Oo. Goat ano yan?
Goat curry?
Oo, goat.
Hilig ko sa goat.
Masarap kasi.
Ito naman atin, ano naman yan?
Chicken lang atin.
I'm not sure with the food.
Chicken.
Huh?
Sarap. Yan, ganyan lang kami dito pagka may available time, sama-sama kami lalabas. And pwede na sa amin ito. Kasi hindi rin naman kami makakain sa restaurant gawa nitong dalawang aso. Matcha?
Mama, do you want to try? It's not spicy.
Alin yan? Yung goat?
Manghang ni?
No.
Atin?
Because you're used to that spicy now. So
Hindi si Papa mo.
I don't think it's spicy. If you're used to the carbonara, no, or that, it's fine. Fine. Well, huh? No. My tummy feels hot.
Anghang lang yung kanin ni habang natagal na
Ayun,
anghang.
Ito, ba't ma'am ito? Isang ko.
12:20 pa lang ng tanghali. Kaya hindi pa masyadong busy dito. Just the chicken, is it alright?
Ay, hindi ba doner?
Ito na lang,
Chicken lang.
chicken, oh.
Chicken shawarma wrap.
Yeah, please.
Mix for you.
And only one.
Only one. Yan.
Kamusta?
Oh,
Mabuti.
how do you know that?
Oh, I've been 22 times. I used to live in Hong Kong.
Oh,
Every weekend I go to Philippines.
alright.
Every weekend. And I have a cousin, he's married a Cebuana.
Cebuana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Easy. Filipino is easy.
Yeah.
Tagalog.
Originally, where are you from?
I'm from Kurdistan. You know Kurdistan?
No.
North of Iraq.
Okay. Yeah.
I forget. Because it's long time I know them there. And all of them is, they live in Cebu.
Cebu is really nice city.
I've been 4 times, really lovely.
Yeah.
Lapu-Lapu, I went to
Yeah.
Lahore, I went to Lapu-Lapu, I went to no salad.
No.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Chips?
No. No.
Some rice?
No.
Filipino, they like rice okra.
Not today.
You know,
I'm diet.
when I
Yeah.
go there, I eat okra and rice and fish.
Right.
Sauce?
Just garlic mayo.
No lamb?
No. That's fine.
Eating now, yeah?
Yeah.
So you from which part of the Philippines?
It's
Quezon.
Quezon. About
Quezon.
4 to 5 hours from Manila.
Come here.
I went to Makati, I went to Pampanga.
Yeah. Thank you.
7 pounds for you. So okay lang o mabuti?
Mabuti and salamat.
Salamat din.
This guy knows how to speak Tagalog. He's been in the Philippines 22 times. In Cebu, Bacolod. Yeah.
Like after stock pork.
Yeah. To this side?
No, the other side.
For the lead side.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you. Salamat.
Tara. Karni, ako si Taho.
Dito sabi ko kung kakain, tinira mo ng tinira.
Come here, bebe.
It's like it's missing a crunch.
Ayoko bisag-bisag na ako.
Only chicken.
Umanumpod naman tayo sa ano? After I just had your
No! Tissue ka?
That's why you put it here.
From Lucena City, Philippines, China! In the red corner, weighing 95 kilos. Thank you.
Another stroke
Yan.
for the dog.
Ah.
Is that everything you guys got?
Yes, kasi tinatanong kayo, ayaw nyo. So this is mine. Nice and refreshing. Dito daw tayo sa Gongcha.
Order na lang tayo sa ano sa machine. Yeah, I know.
Oh. Palagay mo nga nila. Oo. Kaya na, tayo na sa Gongcha. Let's go.
Pwede na? Okay, I need to throw this out.
Alright guys, yan ang ating lakwatsa dito sa Manchester. For those of you na hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel at paki-like na rin ang video para mas lalo pang i-share ni YouTube. So hanggang dito na lang guys, and we will see you again sa susunod na vlog. Bye for now!
Bye!